Le nto moa a South Africa ifo agera shona. Former
tanto.
Pon pinto que ne pan la ye que mo tweshi que mo yere tam zun pe chate wu pe chate asa befo Paramount Front of Pinyen Clan in chate kum samba wo befo bu mo binyi in chate a PDO in chate Moa Traditional Council in chate ingrat in to Moa ti in zum Nijilo Tsani His Royal Majesty before Moa Akapin Burn Fa Fan Kamle Twishit be in the United States, there are Asia, there are Dubai, where South Africa and Funamu Europe, Pong Piamu as in a la. When Kup Fati Amumbuni, Alishon Lopen Fa. Penjilo, Tia Fana, the Manafa Amuela. Ele no Amumbujini, Saze Pin la. Afa awot jirim ka alangenimbi ka peo pen mu tamne le fa andersen njilo ntie fa ne le man fa again double the chongwer bi na muni development amu awo mu pinyin le mun development wo reform wo progress amu traditional council ko mu ngwa again chingin dang ne bi Nti yuni ngwendi esa. After ni imbitina ishon pe montsuma munjwa. Ishon pe Moa Traditional Council. Ishon pe quick for Moa. Pour mu conclusion lo apong lo pe law decision number 1. Amu anu funjini le nung lo for le pin quinzene la yimi pen chumpe ngami ya no His Royal Majesty for Moa the third from for Moa number 4 antin decision number 1 uni stakeholder betu be pin achilo beni appointe que que mon appoint le à Prince Martin Mulutaka. Uni a pour représentatif amu moi. Représentatif lo a attend pe meeting pe chompinin tomba attend sa kamba ma ashi a la de chongura. Equipment tombe to me mais tombe e tombo et Josh Massa. Me mufuna mu moi. Is set there made peacefully. Make sure the justice a power. In the form wa. A yempe, a mangri a yempe, pine popsi fa. A fa la tap man kan tum. Ambo for na kape wo. A lenga for na na punu, bu utazer. Is a manager a traditional council. A manager double effort. Amumbu jini His Royal Majesty for mo the third alamana fa. Minyurumba minyuminjwa. A consulter ke pina a kaman so Gideon Taka. Mbina apa Abraham Kwanka. Mbina apa Nirobon Kang. Popobe Shongzu Pongi pette minyumini menya andika minyuminjwa. Anyo chumpigir pipinam in confirm the peer. As om jinize nin anu fa perper in grand tomoa in up tool poor amboze tip chum amumbo jini afa effectively the piang fu uni pegani nto za anwete ponge ikyo a kolnyon fa am under edition number 1 the chicken piang fu uni any other further edition alone a year. Lumpin punta lumpini pisil na per ba mo yu e per pa timbiang fu uni ba tonen tomiana anaga fona le pin pa mbo ambo sa for benin ambo traditional co opinion tinjo ambo modeka executives ambo njwan moa farambo njwan to moa lobo ngaini support some uni ninever and continue for uni tawon aken pila ma fazer injiro fa pemu and promote peace amu binyin fa pen promote a unity binyin fa pen promote a development binyin pere yin ti shin sarfa tani bella ambia mangin when shonga sina were pele the 25th of March 2019 we ngele anto omwa overseas men san tomwe mbola nguni kwire nen tengu chum we bless binyin bless amwa bless wuti chum yim ngame ya
me ya kambe